Indian Oil Corporation Limited has submitted a disclosure to stock exchanges regarding its listed debt securities issued through private placement for the financial year ended March 31, 2026. IOC stated that the filing is for information and record purposes and includes details of bonds listed on the exchanges. Public Enterprises Selection Board has recommended Amol Babulal Tauri for the post of Director Finance at Power Grid Corporation of India Limited, following a selection meeting held on April 23, 2026. Railway Board has issued a corrigendum regarding the deputation of IRAS officer Rohit Lakshman Rao Wasnik to Rail Vikas Nigam Limited. According to the official order, the deputation tenure of Shri Wasnik has been revised and corrected. Deepak Gupta, Chairman and Managing Director of GAIL India Limited, visited the company's Vijaypur plant on April 21, 2026 to conduct a comprehensive operational review and strengthen supply preparedness. Hindustan Petroleum Corporation Limited has signed a piped natural gas sales agreement with Invertise University in Bareilly, Uttar Pradesh, marking another step in expanding clean energy access across educational institutions. NTPC Mining Limited, a wholly owned subsidiary of NTPC Limited, has issued a notice inviting tender for the coal handling plant package for the Chatti Bariyatu coal mining project. The tender will be executed through domestic competitive bidding via the government e-procurement portal. Mahanadi Coalfields Limited has signed a memorandum of understanding with the District Administration of Angul, Odisha to implement an edge AI-enabled unified command and control surveillance system across the Talcher subdivision. Oil and Natural Gas Corporation and Mitsui OSK Lines have strengthened their strategic engagement in maritime logistics following a high-level meeting at ONGC headquarters in New Delhi. Senior leadership from Mazagon Dock Shipbuilders Limited met officials at the Embassy of India, Vietnam to explore opportunities for collaboration in the maritime and offshore sectors. National Small Industries Corporation and the SME Corporation of Papua New Guinea have signed a memorandum of understanding aimed at strengthening cooperation in the micro, small and medium enterprises sector.